Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Modified Rankin Scale assessment. So what is a Modified Rankin Scale? When a person suffers from a stroke, their functional status is impacted to various degrees. In order to help assess daily functioning, the Modified Rankin Scale, or the MRS, was developed. The scale assesses activities of daily living, otherwise known as ADLs, as well as other activities that patients normally complete, and whether they need assistance from others. The answers are correlated with specific scores on the Modified Rankin Scale. Scores can be integrated within treatment plans to monitor progress and improve functioning over time. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this scale, however it is commonly used by nurses, doctors and rehabilitation therapists. How to use the Modified Rankin Scale effectively. The first step is to fill in the client information at the top and read the instructions. You'll then need to complete patient ratings according to what is listed on the sheet. Finally, you'll then need to add notes and comments that can be integrated into treatment plan. To view a sample assessment of the Modified Rankin Scale, check out carepatron.com where you can download and access the template for free. You can also access the scale through our platform, filter by community and assessment, and type in the keywords to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.